Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a shipping address in the SHEIN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the Me button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the Address Book button. And then just click on the Add a Shipping Address button. And as you can see, you need to fill these forms out. So provide your first name, your last name, your phone number, your city, state / province, and then post / zip code. And then you have to provide at least one address line with street, address, company name, C/O. And the second address line is optional. And before you saving it, you can set it as a default, which means that it will be like a default address. You don't have to type it in every time you make an order. So if you're just ready, click on the save button and then it will be saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.